Brush Lettering Explained, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of brush lettering. This artistic style of writing is not only visually appealing but also a fun way to enhance your English skills. Let's explore what brush lettering is all about. Brush lettering is a form of calligraphy that uses a brush or brush-tipped pen to create thick and thin lines, forming elegant letters and words. Unlike traditional pen calligraphy, brush lettering offers a more fluid and expressive style, which makes it unique and popular in various artistic projects. The essence of brush lettering lies in mastering the brush strokes. When the brush moves upwards, the line is thin, and when it moves downwards, the line becomes thick. This contrast is what gives brush lettering its distinctive look. Practice these movements to get a feel for how the brush behaves. Each letter in brush lettering has a unique form. The beauty lies in how these letters connect seamlessly. Pay attention to the entry and exit strokes of each letter. These connections are essential for creating a fluid and cohesive word or phrase in brush lettering. Once you're comfortable with basic strokes and letter forms, it's time to add your personal style. Experiment with loops, flourishes, and varying line weights. This personal touch will make your brush lettering truly your own. Practice with common phrases or words. Try writing, hello, thank you, or your name. Repeating these will help you become more comfortable and eventually allow you to create more complex compositions. That's a wrap on our brush lettering tutorial. Remember, practice is key. Don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Every artist starts somewhere. We hope this video inspires you to pick up a brush pen and start your journey in brush lettering. Happy learning and happy lettering!